Where's the front again? Oh no. Whoa. Okay. Well, hello, wonderful people. I have not seen you in a while. Or, I should say, you have not seen me in a while. And guess what we're doing today? We're doing a wig unboxing. So let me show you the package. I literally don't know if this is going to be total or if it's going to be good. This is the, let me get it closer to you. This is the wig I bought. And it's called Mia. I thought it was like some anime character for like cosplay, and it's probably for cosplay, but we'll see how it looks. I might just wear it out and about. And I got this wig at a comic book store. I saw it and I thought the bob was just so cute. I love the shade of pink. But without further ado, we should get into the package before you stop watching this video. $34.99. That's how much this wig cost. And if you've seen like prices of wigs before and whatnot, generally they don't run $34.99 unless they're total crap. So let's check it out and we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. I just want to give you a little information about wig pricing so you know. So it opens from the side here. You're gonna see it before I do. Oh, okay, it's just that. So you don't get to see it yet. Haha. Alright, so we're gonna open it up. Okay, and so this is how most wigs come. They come in this fantastic black netting. I call it fantastic because like once you get it stuck on your hand, you can't get it off. It's like really, it's really staticky. I forgot the English language for a minute, so I apologize. Alright, so let's take out this, we have this extra padding in here. That's really nice. Extra padding to keep it like padded. Let's toss that over there. And then we'll take the wig out of the box, and let me set the box down here. Just let me, oh, whatever. Okay, so we've got this mess of pink and a mess of black. So let's take the black off. And honestly, just it coming with this black thing kind of says that it's going to be halfway decent because some wigs, they don't come with the black thing. So hang on, let me try to get this off my hand. This is what the wig looks like. You know, it was in the box for a while. Honestly, it looks like it's going to be like a little curlier than just a bob like how the box was. Let me show you the box. Oh, where did I throw it? Notice the picture on the box. It's just a bob with bangs across. So we're going to see if this wig lives up to this picture. The first thing we need to do though is put on a wig cap. Here's the back of it. And I have to mention that there's this channel called Lenser, and I'm going to link it in my description. She does all kinds of fantastic things with wigs, and I have learned like a ton from her on how to take like a really cheap wig and make it look expensive, and how to make your own wig. And she has like over 100 different wigs. She has a video that shows them all. So I'm going to put a link to her videos or to her channel in the description because this video is because of her. She got me into the wigs hardcore, baby. Of course, we have these tie hair, the brand. So the brand itself is Fever Wigs. And I'll see if I can put a link to their actual website in the description as well for you, if this turns out well. Where are my scissors? I can't find anything today. 1 second. I must go to my bathroom to get the scissors. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm out of the bathroom and I found my scissors. So let's go ahead. We're gonna cut this thing off. We're gonna do all of this together. So we're doing this together, people. We better hope this works out. So we'll just cut. Okay. Hopefully I don't need to return this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to return it, even if it's crappy. Even if it's crappy. I'm going to do another video. I'm going to show you how to make it not crappy because Lenser, she's fantastic. Love her. And love her personality. I know I'm talking more about her channel than mine, but I'm so impressed. So let me put these scissors down before I cut something. There we go. Okay. Oh, there goes the tag. We're going to do our wig caps, and I'm going to show you a little bit about wig caps because I kind of assume you might be watching this video to learn a little bit about wigs too. So there's two different kinds of wig caps that you can put on either just one or at the same time. The first one is like a mesh. You see the mesh? So it's just like a mesh, and then it's open on both sides. This side is open as well. Okay, so there's the mesh one that opens on both sides. It's nice and blurry for you. Enjoy the blur, yes, No, you're not drunk. My camera's just blurry. This wig cap is, it kind of looks like a lady's stocking. So this wig cap, as you can see, it's got a top, and then it has a bottom, and then the bottom literally looks like pantyhose bottoms. But so as you can see, the bottom has more of an elastic on it, so it really stays on your head. I'm going to show you how I put on my wig caps. First wig cap that I showed you with the mesh works really well to hold your hair back while you're putting the second one in. So let me show you the first wig cap with the mesh. Here's our meshy wig cap, whatever. Do you like this? So this like floofly part out here is going to be the part that doesn't go around your head right here. The part that goes around your head is this like band, little band here. Not like a rock band, but like band that goes around your head. So first thing you're going to do is just put it around yourself like you're putting on a headband. Okay, so you put that on and then you pull the rest of the mesh back. And let me show you what it does in the back. I can't see what I'm doing, so I hope you can now. So it pulls all of your hair up, and then I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror, so excuse me if I don't look at you for a second. It's because I'm like looking in the viewfinder making sure this looks okay. So hang on a second. Okay, so we don't want it. I mean, I have got the highest hairline. I am so surprised it hasn't got in trouble by now from the law, because it's so high, it's ridiculous. But that's okay. So we got, okay, now all my hair is just like right here, and that is gonna make it so much easier. So let's grab the other wig cap that has the really tight band on it that's kind of not as comfortable as not wearing one. Some girls just wear this, and I'll tell you, this is fine. This is comfortable. It's not like squeezing my head to death. But the wig caps, sometimes until you like break them in, but they're kind of like 1 to 5 use, they're just kind of tight. And I have a small head, so I don't know. Thought I heard something. Getting paranoid. This lockdown is making me paranoid. Alright, let's put this other one on. Put your hands in it like this. Try to tuck the hair that's already been pulled up into your second wig cap. And I'm tucking. Sorry, I'm not paying attention to you. Okay, hang on. So, my back, just gotta push in there. You want to have the wig cap right at your hairline. You don't, unless you're gonna be, well, okay, this wig has bangs. So technically, I could have it a little below my hairline and have it be okay, as long as I just kept the bangs straight. You've got to be kidding me. I'll be back. Okay, so the good old camera light went out for the second time. We got the wig cap on. Now, to see how this wig fits. I'm like excited, but I'm a little worried. So, because it's, here we go. All right, we got our wig. Gotta find the front of the wig is right there. What I do, I put my hands inside the wig like that. Ooh, let's talk about something really quick, just in case you didn't see my last video. If you get a decent wig, it comes with these they're little clips, and you can clip them into the base of the wig to help it fit better and stay on. You can also clip them together, which I show in one of my other videos, if the wig is, kind of a little bit too big for you. And it'll cup it underneath your hairline so the wig stays on, because you don't want no weave falling out. Oh, there's the website, fever.collection.com. I'll still link it in the description below, though. So you want to take it, shake it out. Where's the front again? Oh, no. So we take our hands in there, and then we put our wig on. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I'm using the viewfinder again as my mirror. You know, some people even use a special glue to like glue the wig to their head if they're gonna wear it for a long time. I don't have any of that glue, but once again, my girl Linzer, she shows how to use that glue. So it's really fantastic. Okay, so let's look here. Yeah, it's not bad actually. Yeah, so here's the wig. The curls are a little intense. They're a little bit more than what the box showed. But it's been boxed up for a while, so that's bound to happen. The bangs, they're a little long for me, but that's okay. I like to do the whole push to the side anyway. And then I think this is cute. I am pleasantly surprised. In the comments, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think about this wig? Like, does it look like a $34.99 wig? Does it look like a wig? I mean, it is pink, but does it look like a wig, and does it look like a $34.99 wig? I am digging it. If there are some things that I need to do to it, which I'll probably take and like straighten this a little bit because it's like curled up like, woo. I feel like strawberry shortcake right now, but it's curled up a little bit too much. So let's look at the picture. Where's the picture? Oh, I threw the box, hang on. So here's the picture. Don't check out the chick, she's really pretty. Here's the picture, here's me. So I would say that this wig definitely, it did what it was supposed to do. So it's stylable and heat resistant up to 120 degrees Celsius or 248 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's pretty darn hot, and that is fantastic because, you know, wigs that are synthetic, they're, you know, made out of a certain kind of like plastic or something, I assume, and you don't want the plastic to melt. So it's nice that this wig can be hit with some heat and be kind of straightened out and styled. But I might do a video when I straighten this baby out a little bit so you guys can really see its like full potential. So the curl is wigging out. There we go. While I'm doing a little bit of self-promotion, I want to talk to you guys about a video that I will be putting out soon that I think you're really going to enjoy. I've actually had several requests for this video, and I know my channel's not super huge, but I've had a lot of requests. The requests that I've had are to show how I stay looking young at the age of 42. Yes, I'm 42 and I'm wearing cat ears and a pink wig. So one of the next videos is going to be how I go from start to finish, not like with a all crazed out with, you know, looking like an anime wig, but just normal, you know, everyday look, from start to finish, on how I go from, this isn't what I look like without makeup, how I go from 42-year-old me to a more of a 28, 29 looking year old individual. And you don't want to miss it. If you're middle-aged or, you know, in your 40s or even late 30s, this video is going to be fantastic for you. I'm also going to be doing a skincare routine. I'm going to show you what I've done from about 20 years old on to keep my skin, you know, looking smooth. Because I don't, like right now, I don't have like fillers in, or I don't have any of those like pull back the eyes, or I don't have anything, I only have makeup on. And I use makeup and different wigs and different techniques to look younger than my age. So I'm really excited to show you guys. I hope that you're excited to see it. Leave me a comment down below if that's something you're super interested in, because I'll get on it sooner. If you got value out of the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.